Bernie. My name is Carson Pope, and I'm an ambassador of the Bernie Chamber of Commerce. And we have our new friends here today, Two Men in a Truck. I have Doug, the general manager here. He's going to tell us a little bit more about what Two Men in a Truck do for the community. So, Doug?
Okay, perfect. My name is Doug Krause. I'm the general manager for our Two Men in a Truck San Antonio and San Marcos locations. Two Men in a Truck has been moving customers forward for over 35 years now. We serve we move people all over Texas and the other 47 continental United States. All of our movers and drivers are professionally trained to move and pack your belongings. We also offer junk removal and storage units as well. We our contact number is 210-280-1980 or 210-280-1961. And you can also get online and look for us at www.twomeninatruck.com.
Okay, perfect. And I see you have a couple employees here if you'd like to introduce them.
Yeah, this is Laura Jordan. This is one of our CSRs. She's been with us for almost 10 years now, or 10 years. This is Dante Fisher. He is our operations manager over at our West office where we're at right now. And this is Steve Newman, one of the